Hello everyone, in this video we are going to expand more on our multiplication of polynomials, and here we're going to multiply two polynomials together. So both of our polynomials will have at least two terms. Here's the thing about these. We can use the distributive property repeatedly to find the product of any two polynomials. One other way we can approach it is multiplying each term of the second polynomial by each term of the first polynomial, and then adding those products together. Let's take a look at a couple of examples, because I'll actually make two videos on this to further expand on it and just look at a couple more that are a little more interesting. Let's start with a more basic approach. What we're doing is we're taking every term in this polynomial and we're going to multiply it to every term in this polynomial. So we're distributing the x to this x, and then this x to 4. X times x is x squared, and then x times -4. Halfway done. Now we take this and multiply it to every term in this polynomial. We could do it the other way around, such as multiplying the 4 to every term here and then the x to every term there and combining. We'll get the same answer. Multiplication is both commutative and associative. So 1 times x, this is positive, and then 1 times -4. I do have a set of like terms, which is right here. -4 plus 1 . This is my final answer. There will be more occurrences when you're multiplying two polynomials together where you will combine like terms. When you're doing a polynomial of many terms by a monomial, it's like I mentioned in the previous video, it's not very common. It may happen, but it's not as common as you would see when you're multiplying two polynomials together. Let's do one more for this video. Let's try it the other way around. Let's take every term here and we'll multiply it to every term here. So let's start with 7. Just remember to keep in mind that the final answer will always be written with descending powers of x. So start with the highest degree and work from there. So -7 times +2, -7 times 5x, (2x times 2), and 2x times 5x. These are like terms. Add their coefficients together. You still get a negative term, which would be -35 plus 4, or -31x. At the same time, I'll do two things at once. I will write this polynomial in descending order, so this term is first, followed by this one, -14, and we're done. Let's do some more in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.